session is concerned. Vaishali.
Aditya, thank you for joining me with all those details. And now viewers, moving on. Now market sentiments display a positive bias as banking, IT and consumer sectors have seen a steady growth and surge towards a 52-week high as there is optimism about renewed foreign inflows and earnings. Now, rival Birlasoft, Vardhman Textiles and Shipping Corporation of India remain the top winners so far in the market today. Godfrey Phillips India, Chennai Petroleum Corporation and Tata Investment Corporation being some of the losing stocks. I have our guest Professor M.K. Agarwal, Senior Economist, joining me. Mr. Agarwal, what can you tell us about the market at the moment?
It's performing in a green, very dark green zone. The reason is very simple now, that this Diwali has been really a blessing for the stock market. There are various reasons for this. Especially number one, President Trump called Prime Minister Modi, and there is a clear indication that our trade puzzle that was there, it is going to be resolved very soon amicably, and definitely it will further strengthen our trade relationship with USA. And moreover, if you are looking at the metals, particularly gold and silver, the prices have moderated for these two metals particularly because of there is some softening of global economic scenario. So what is there? The money is shifting from metals towards the stock market. Top of this, within the Indian economy, if you are looking, the type of strategy that this Modi government has played, particularly with regard to GST, you'll find that this Deepavali, there has been a total trade since GST was reduced from 22nd September till you can say 22nd October. There has been Diwali trade of around 6 trillion rupees. Definitely, it is a 25% jump from the last Deepavali of 2024. So all these are giving much strength, much hope to the stock market, and that's why they are performing very well, and they are all hopeful. Whatever be the global scenario, but for Indian economy, the scenario has been really very supportive, encouraging, and the performance of the market, not only stock market, you can say the entire market and consumer sector has been very bullish, and these are reflected in the stock market.
Mr. Agarwal, I also want to ask you, how has the Diwali trading window that opened a day ago impacted this?
In fact, Diwali trade has been in the green. There was some apprehension initially when we discussed on Diwali day that there might be profit booking, but I was in favor to say that no, there won't be profit booking as much. There is a possibility that market will go further, and I believe that market is definitely on the strong footing, and it will continue. If it happens, sometimes there is a profit booking, not immediately, but so I believe that market is on strong ground. There are fundamentals are strong in the economy, and global scenario is also favorable. If you are looking at the Trump's statement, what he says, don't, earlier he was saying don't buy any oil from Russia. Now what he says, buy less oil from Russia. So he is scaling down. So this is also helping the Indian economy and its positioning that it has done. So it is helping the stock market as well.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal, for joining me on the broadcast. And now moving on, viewers. Now on the press conference of the Mahagathbandhan,